What's going on? Derek from Legendary here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a friend request on Facebook manually or using automation if you want to add multiple people. So first things first, if you know your friend's name, you can search it here. I'm going to use Mike as an example and click on people, and it will show you all the people related to that search. So some are already added, and the ones that you haven't added yet, you can click Add Friend. So another way you can do this, if you go back to the main Facebook page, click on the Friends tab, and it will show you people you may know, and you can add friends here as well. The problem with doing this manually is going to take a lot of time, but it's super easy. You can do it from the app or desktop version of Facebook. So to do things in a more automated way, what you can do is go to a Facebook group, install the Genius Connector app. Once that's added and you've logged in, you can set up your parameters here, limit your number of requests, set your lookup intervals, enter any keywords of the people you want to find, and click Run. So at this time, Genius Connector will start running, and it will look for people who match your criteria. So this person matches my criteria here. It's going to send them a friend request. Now I can leave this running in the background while I'm doing other things and continue to add friends while I work on other stuff. We have another tool called Genius Messenger CRM that actually turns your Facebook Messenger into a full CRM and sales pipeline. So once you've added friends, you can add them into these color-coded labels and get everything nice and neat. So if you're interested in adding friends automatically, check out Genius Connector. Otherwise, you now know how to add friends on Facebook by clicking the Add Friend button. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.